Okay, this part is for the water treatment.
From the actually before this pump, before this pump, we put the water storage tank, by pump by water to the sand filter, active carbon filter, precision filter, and hollow pipe filter system. Then we will add the UV sterilizer and also the ozone sterilizer to sterilize the water to make sure the water can be drink safe. Then we come to the storage tank. This storage tank will This storage tank will be connected to the filling machine. This filling machine as a racing filling capping. Also for this filling machine, we use controlled by the PLC, and usually we touch control by this touch screen. Use the Siemens touch screen. Also before this filling machine, you need to put the before this air can we need to put the air balloon machine connect to the filling machine.
The capacity.
This capacity. This is 5 tons. This is 5 tons water storage tank.
5 tons.
5 tons. This is another small one. You see the pump, active sand field, active carbon field, and precision field. Also, our system we use stainless steel housing. Stainless steel housing. Inside we put American brand the Hydronix membrane, and use female brown electric pass. Use the Schneider Siemens. This is Siemens, and this Schneider. Okay. Now we come to the. Here we use a non-fan pump, the high pressure pump. Also, usually we use a deep control right here, setting here. Then we come out, we put the ozone generator and the UV generator.
Okay.
And finish, we go to the water storage tank.
How many the capacity?
This is 2 tons. It's 2 tons.
2 tons.
Yeah.
And that's 5 tons.
That's 5 tons.
So that means it should be 2.
2 tons enough for this line.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then okay.